What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. I want to show y'all two cash outs on two sites that I use every single day, and I literally cash out on these sites every single day. These are probably the two of the easiest sites. If you are not a member of these sites, you have to sign up. The link is in the description. Just because, for one, the minimum that you have to cash out is very low on both of these sites, and I'm just going to show you, just basically proof. Let me cash in on this site. So this one right here is Bankroll Bucks. I have plenty of videos on Bankroll Bucks. I have $4.79 in my account right now. You see here. I'm going ahead and cash that out real quick. Just gonna put my email back in. And look, you only have to have $1 to cash out here. They do have Bank of America checks if you want to cash out that way, but PayPal a minimum of $1. And you can make $1 on this site every single day. It's very easy. So I'm just gonna cash out here, $4.79, draw. Bam, you add it to the pending list, and they pay you the same day. All right, so let me show you basically my routine on here. Daily surveys. That's the one thing you want to get on here and do. They have lots of different survey providers. You just go through and try to bang out as many as you can. All right, daily survey, look, 80 cents. Say so for good. Unlimited. You know what I'm saying? Do as many of those as you can. All right, that's what it's all about. Go down here. Samplicious survey. Now I love doing this. It says simplicity, but it's like Samplicious. 65. You see 25-second average. They really crediting time 25-second average. They really don't take that long, y'all. It's like 5 to 10 minutes. And the more you do, the faster you get at doing them. It is very, very simple. They have lots of different surveys. So I just want you to go through and just look at these. Another daily survey, 70 cents. You know what I'm saying? Just scroll down. Lots of different ones, all right? Very simple to use. Just go through and try to do, as many as you can. That's as simple as that. I don't know how else to put it. That's basically my routine on here, all right? After I do that, go through all of those survey providers. If ever you feel like, you're getting frustrated because you're not, for whatever reason, qualifying for surveys, I want you to go here. I want you to go to Theorem Reach. And the reason I want you to go to that is because you get disqualification points. Now, some people don't understand what it means or how to use the providers that provide disqualification points. You use these when you're getting frustrated taking these big surveys. So you're not going to make 80 cents, time and time again on Theorem Reach. These surveys, they pay lower, but like say for instance, you go through and you do this one and you don't qualify. And you try another one, you don't qualify for that one. And you try another one, you don't qualify for that one. Whenever you do 3 surveys, you don't qualify, go over here to Theorem Reach, do like 2 to 3 of those. You know what I'm saying? Get you some, even if you don't qualify for those, you'll get disqualification points. So the more you do, of course, the more points you'll get into your account, just off the disqualification points at the very least. But they're not hard to do. They're very easy. They don't pay a lot as many as the other ones, but they do have ones here that are very short to do. All right, I don't really do it that many. I don't really do it that much, mainly because I qualify for a lot of the surveys that I'm trying to do. But you see here, look, 2 minutes, 12 Bankroll Bucks, 54 Bankroll Bucks for 10 minutes, 4 minutes, 26 Bankroll Bucks. All right, now I do want to tell you guys that, look, these surveys don't stay up here forever. You just got to go through and bang them out. But you see here, they don't take a lot of time. Like, they don't have a survey on here that's more than 10 minutes. That's the good thing about it. So go through and bang out as many of those as you can. They're not difficult to qualify for. You just got to be willing to put in the work. So when I tell people that you can make a lot of money doing these surveys, this is what I mean, because these surveys are not paying, they're not asking you to work on these sites for hours at a time. Like, some people tell me it takes me an hour to make $1. And I'm like, why? I don't understand. Like, if we're following my steps and my tutorials, then it should never take you an hour to do anything. You know what I'm saying? With all of these right here, it should take you probably a little bit over 45 minutes, if that. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how quick you are, and you're going to make well over $3 just doing these right here. All right, so that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? Daily surveys and Theorem Reach. That's basically my routine on this site. All right, so now I'm gonna go to my another site that I use that I cash out every day. This one is 1 day rewards. All right, you see here my balance is $2.33. See up here, 1 day rewards. a site that is very, very good. Like I said, I cash out on it every day, and here's why. Because minimum you have to cash out with PayPal is 7 cents. 7 cents takes me 7 seconds to get. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't take long at all. Let me cash out on this site real quick. Let's put in my email, withdraw, add me to the pending list. Damn, just like that. So on this site, same thing. What I'm doing over here, going straight to surveys at the top, clicking on that, going through just like this, and doing as many as I can. All right, that's all I'm doing. Just trying all of these. You see here, look, diabetes survey. You must be a female, 18 years old, 476 reward points. That's basically $4.76. Now that might be difficult to qualify for, but try it anyway. That's the thing. Try these surveys as many as you can. Just go through. They have surveys here. They have offers. Look, sample cube, 126 points. That's $1.26. Sample cube right there, $1.12. High paying surveys, y'all. Just go through. Try as many as you can. It's just that simple. If for whatever reason you get stuck here, but I go here, like say for instance you're trying some surveys and you're not qualifying for those either, you go here to offer walls, click on that. You go down here and try some of these offers. Let your videos run in the background. That's one thing I always want to tell you guys. Let your videos run in the background and try some offers. One thing I really suggest is AdGate rewards and offer Turo. AdGate rewards has a lot of them where you're just basically signing up, confirm your email, bam, you're credited with the points. So whenever you're doing surveys and getting frustrated on this site, AdGate rewards, just do some offers. Do some offers and offer Turo as well, and let your videos run. Because once you see money going into your account some kind of way, it kind of builds your confidence. All right, so that's how I cash out on both of these sites every single day. The link to the description will be in both of these sites. Remember, sign up for both. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit me up. Do not hesitate to ask me any questions. I love helping people, showing them how to make money online, just as I am every single day, to the point where my PayPal account is coming in. I'm always getting a notification on PayPal. You've been paid by some site or some app, and I'm loving that. Just getting paid every day is really just builds your confidence, and it helps you to keep going. All right, so just like I said, sign up with the link in the description to both of these sites. That way I can help you. That way you can have the same opportunities that I have. And, you can see here what people are doing on this site, how they're making money. So you see they got a day login bonus. You know what I'm saying? Just seeing some of the things that people are doing, just kind of scrolling. You know what I'm saying? Just different things. A lot of people let their videos run in the background. That's why you see that 0.07. You know what I'm saying? So just find works for you. But my routine, it really seems to be working for me, and I've heard from other people that it works for them as well. So just try it. It doesn't take that long to do. You just gotta really be willing to put in the work. Whenever you have a couple hours spare time, just go through on these sites and bang them out. You know what I'm saying? Just really grind out. Do some surveys, do some offers, and make a little spare change on the side. And when you continuously do that, you'll find that you'll do surveys faster. You'll find that they offer you more surveys, and you'll find that more money is going into your account. The hardest part about it for everybody is just getting started, putting in the effort, putting in the time. But once you do it on a regular basis, it becomes very, very easy to do. All right, so that's what I want to show you guys. Like I said, one day rewards, link is in the description to that, and bankroll bucks, link is in the description to that one always. Sign up for both. You have to use my link. That way I can help you. That way you can have the same opportunities that I have. And you can really just to continue to just build your account up, like I said. All right, so remember that. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. I'm always putting out content showing people how to make money online. That's what I do, and I do all free ways. I'm not showing you guys how to make money online, but you got to pay $100. No, I'm not into that. You know what I'm saying? Because I know how frustrating it was for me when I was starting out making money online back in 2009, and seeing like all the opportunities were telling you, okay, you can make money online, but you have to pay $10 a month. Nah, I'm not saying like those offers or those things are scams, but it's like when you are, starting or wanting to make money online in the very beginning, the last thing you want to do is put money into any of these sites. So I'm showing you all the free ones. That way you can, make money for free. All the free sites that I'm using, all the free apps. And you can do just like I'm doing and flood your PayPal account, your Amazon account, different gift cards every single day. All right. So That's it for this video, and I want you guys to always remember every penny counts.